Imagine an exam where your textbooks aren't off limits. Welcome to the future of testing, the open book exam. But what exactly is an open book exam? It's a test where students can use textbooks or notes. A radical shift from the traditional exam format. India is gearing up to introduce this innovative approach for classes 9 through 12. Why the change? It's all about promoting understanding over rote learning, encouraging students to apply knowledge rather than memorize facts. It will be more analytical, and question will be set in a way that you need to use a more analytical mind, not memory. The trial run. Mark your calendars. It's set to commence on the 15th day of September 2024. Remember, an open book doesn't mean an easy exam. It's about applying what you know, and that's a skill worth mastering. This is the future of testing. Open, accessible, and challenging.